And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. Let's check in with KETK's meteorologist Andrew Samet. Andrew, it looks like we have a big cool down coming.
Yeah, we do. Today it's kind of chilly, but not too bad. Tomorrow morning, though, and especially Wednesday morning is when we will see that really significant cool down for us, where we could see our first freeze of this fall season on Wednesday morning. But right now, temperatures are sitting out in the middle to upper 60s for the most part. We're at 64 degrees in Mount Pleasant and in Sulphur Springs, 66 down to Nacogdoches, 69 degrees in Lufkin, 68 in Crockett, and 64 degrees the current temperature in Center. Dew points are dropping across the area. We're seeing those dew points in the upper 40s to low 50s, so the drier air is filtering on in. There may still be a few showers, though, moving through deep East Texas at this moment due to the cloud cover that is still lingering on. Maybe just enough to squeeze some moisture. There is rain appearing on the radar, but a lot of that may not even be making it to the ground. Forecast highs today climb into the upper 60s to low 70s, so it's going to be a warmer than yesterday for some of us. Remember, yesterday we had a lot of clouds, rain, that kept us pretty cool. Today may be slightly warmer, but it's not really going to make a huge difference out there as high temperatures climb into the upper 60s to low 70s. The wind out of the north at 15 miles per hour will help to reinforce that cooler air that will be over our area. Now, the normal high temperature is 79 degrees, so today we are below average, but it's not going to be the coolest day. Tuesday, tomorrow, we climb up to about 63 degrees, 65 on Wednesday, and then as we head into the weekend, we are going to see those high temperatures returning to the middle 80s. So the cool down will be relatively short-lived, but it's going to pack a punch because we could see our first freeze on your Wednesday morning. But of course, we did get some beneficial rainfall yesterday and overnight. Picked up about 6/10 of an inch in Mount Pleasant, about 8/10 of an inch in Sulphur Springs. Northwest Smith County down to Hideaway and Red Springs picked up over 2 inches of rainfall. But Wood County Airport about 1.7 inches. Tyler Pounds about 8/10 of an inch. Cumberland Ridge picking up about nearly 1.5 inches of rain, about 1/2 an inch over in Henderson and in Athens, about 2/10 of an inch in Jacksonville, and then about 4/10 of an inch into Nacogdoches, 3/10 of an inch into Lufkin, and Crockett picked up just underneath an inch of rainfall. So again, it was a beneficial rain for us, but it still wasn't enough to eliminate the drought entirely, but we certainly need to take these winds as we get them. Again, Wednesday morning, like I mentioned, we will likely have our first freeze for many of us. Wednesday morning, we could drop as far down as the upper 20s in our 4 northeastern areas from Mount Pleasant to Linden and Jefferson, low to mid 30s elsewhere. The lowest chance of a freeze is in deep East Texas, but still, those temperatures are going to be at least getting very close to the freezing mark. So area-wide, take those extra steps to protect any sensitive vegetation for Tuesday night. To recap, though, for today, clouds will continue to decrease and high temperatures will make it to about 70 degrees with a north wind at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tonight, we will drop down to the mid-40s with mostly clear skies and a north wind at 10 miles per hour. So the breeze will continue through the overnight time frame. And as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we are going to see our first freeze possible Wednesday morning. But then we warm things right back up into the weekend with those highs in the 80s. It is more of the same for us in deep East Texas as well. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website that is on your screen there at KETK.com.